Hi guys, welcome to Unedited channel. In India, a sensational propaganda is going across the country which is boycotting made in China products. Why I call it sensational? Because the outrage among the people is palpable. By destroying their existing mobile in the street. After destroying their mobile in the street, they may purchase a new iPhone. But how they will come to know that the material which used in iPhone would have purchased from China? Because China has excellent business regulation across the world. So knowing Chinese and non-Chinese product is an uphill task for a common man. Moreover, ban against China trade is not a subtle decision because out of our 100% import, 14% of products are getting imported from China. Out of 100% export, we are doing 5% export to China. Whereas in China, out of their 100% of export, they are doing only 3% to India. Out of their 100% import, they are importing from India less than 1%. So if we implement the ban against China trade, rather than China, India may affect more. Most of the Indian industry are depending on the Chinese raw material and intermediate products, especially in pharmaceutical industry. The active pharmaceutical ingredient are getting imported from China. Recently, India was a major exporter of hydrochloroquine. That won't be possible if not imported the active ingredient material from China. Not only pharmaceutical industry, most of the industry like electronic and electrical industry, power sector industry and chemical industry, most of the components are getting imported from China. Once we implement the ban, then those industry will get suffer financially and economically. Moreover, most of the Chinese brands are having manufacturing hubs here at India. Those brands are getting manufactured as a made in India products and getting imported and getting exported to other countries. Say for example, Xiaomi Mobile is getting manufactured here to India as a made in India products. Foxconn is a company which is a Taiwan-based company having manufacturing unit here at Sri Perumbudur and Sri Sriti Andhra Pradesh. They are doing manufacture for the Xiaomi Mobile and doing export to the other countries also. Similarly, most of the electrical and electronic components are getting imported or manufactured by Huawei, which is a Chinese-based company. Suppose if the government decided to import the raw material and intermediate products from other countries, cost may get increased, through which again the trade deficit also will get increased. So it may indirectly affect the country's economy. If you want to know the trade deficiency, let me explain. Trade deficiency means if you do more import and less export is called trade deficiency. We are getting product at a cheaper price from China. Say for example, if you purchase 10 air conditioner from China at the price of 10,000 rupees per product, we will do expense of 1 lakh rupees. Suppose if we purchase the same product from Japan, we may spend 20,000 rupees per product. So it will cost 2 lakh. So instead of spending 1 lakh, we may do expense of 2 lakhs. So that difference of amount will increase the trade deficit. So implementing the immediate ban against China also will affect us indirectly in terms of trade deficit. That is the reason why instead of wasting our energy in the street shouting the slogan against China and its president, and instead of throwing our own mobile in the street, we may act intelligently by creating more number of manufacturing units in India. We may produce cheaper quality products at cheaper price, through which we can compete China. Moreover, if China government and its president Xi Jinping both take decision against India not to import and export, India will suffer a lot, because most of the Indian startup companies are got fund from the Chinese investors. If all those Chinese investors ask the money from those startup companies, then these companies will be under trouble. Some of the companies are Ola, Snapdeal, Udaan, Paytm, and much more. In those companies, millions of Indians are working. If these companies are under trouble, then millions of Indians may lose their job. Again, it will indirectly reflect economical slowdown. That is a reason why burning the Chinese product and implementing the ban against China trade is not a sub. So guys, to talk about another matter sometime back, we'll meet again. If you not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel, because your subscription will make me confident to put more videos. Thank you. Bye.